Oral presentation. First, introduce myself. Second, when I a child. My name is Marlene Rivera Sierra. I'm studying a Master in Business Management. I employ at the bank. I'm married. I am from Cucuta. I live with my family. I have many roles. I'm housewife, student, employee, and daughter. I like read esoteric books. I like sing. I love shopping and travel. I dislike washes the dishes, laundry, and cook. This is my family. You can see my husband. His name is Orlando Figueroa. She is my sister. Her name is Yolanda. They are my daughters. Her name is Alcyon and Argina. She is a student architect and she is a student at the school. It's me. Everybody in the hotel in Bucaramanga. I remember when I was girl, I loved every play. I thought, when will arrive weekend? I love to go at the park, and I dream it and to enjoy with my friends. My parents and my sisters went with me on Sunday after lunch, of course. There we ate ice creams, eating ice creams and cotton candy. It's delicious. I jumped rope with my sisters. Love play my doll with my toys. I love my toys. I always climb a swing and I felt I touched with sky with my hands. When that day ended, I felt sad because couldn't play, but I went to sleep happy after play all day. That's all. Goodbye.